Hi everyone, hope you all doing good. Recently we had trip to Goa, sharing few glimpses. Hope you all like it. We started our journey from Bangalore to Goa, which is around 10 hours of journey. We reached Goa by 10:40 p.m. After reaching there, we directly visited very famous Balgam restaurant, which is Nia's, famous for Balgam biryani. I suggest one must try this biryani. I shall link the address in the description box. We were residing in Golden Sands Resort, which is located in Mount Jim, Goa. This resort having beach in 1 kilometer distance, which is very peaceful and pleasant area. They having cottage system, garden and pool. Staff and service is also very good. After a breakfast, we left for first location to cover. This is beautiful beach called Arambol in Arambol. After having lots of fun here, we tried seaside food, especially fish, squids, chicken, seaside pineapple, roasted corn with a unique taste of Goa. It was very relaxing, peaceful and lots of fun at this place. So we were not willing to leave this place and so spent whole day here. After a beach, we left to Panjim for cruise. After 40 minutes of cruise ride, even we visited very famous Goa churches. Next day, we took on boat to an island for all sports rides. We had very beautiful experience of paragliding. It was very much fun and beautiful to experience flying on sky. It was beautiful to experience bike rides, banana rides, and scuba. That's the end of vlog. Within short of time we had lots of fun, quality time, relaxing with family and friends. Returning back with lots of memory, experiences and beautiful time. So if you like this video, do subscribe my channel, like and share with friends and family. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.